welcome to Beautyistic. Let me take a moment to introduce you to a foundation that's designed to keep up with your every move, all day long. Today, we're talking about the Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation. A foundation that's made for those who want long-lasting coverage, oil control, and a flawless matte finish. Sounds pretty ideal, right? Let's dive into the specifics. This foundation is available in a wide range of shades, with the one I'm trying today being 12 Light Beige, which is described as light with neutral undertones. It promises to deliver a soft matte finish while still keeping your skin hydrated. Yes, you heard that right, hydrated matte. Plus, it's long-wearing, moisturizing, and even waterproof, making it an excellent choice for all-day wear, no matter the conditions. When I first applied this foundation, I was immediately impressed with how smooth and lightweight the formula felt on my skin. It blends effortlessly and builds up to a medium to full coverage without feeling cakey, which is a big plus in my book. The matte finish is just as described. It's matte, but not overly dry or flat. It offers a natural, soft matte look that still has some life to it, which is perfect for a more realistic, everyday look. Now, I have combination skin, and while some matte foundations can leave me feeling tight or dry, this one surprisingly didn't. Instead, it kept my skin balanced, not too shiny, and definitely not too dry. And the best part? It stayed put all day. No midday touch-ups needed, and no pooling in my pores or fine lines, which can sometimes happen with long-wearing formulas. I also tested it in a few different environments. I wore it during a busy day out and about, in varying weather conditions. Whether it was a quick coffee break or a walk in the park, the foundation held up well. And yes, it's definitely waterproof. I did a quick test with a splash of water, and the foundation didn't budge. For those of us who have to deal with humidity, sweat, or even a little rain, that's a game changer. Now, as for the pros and cons. The foundation's texture is light and blendable, which makes it super user-friendly. It's also great for oily skin types because it offers excellent oil control and it doesn't feel heavy or mask-like. On the downside, it's not the most hydrating option for those with very dry skin. While it does offer some moisture, it's not as nourishing as a hydrating foundation would be. When it comes to value for money, Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation is definitely on the higher end. But considering its performance, the longevity, the oil control, and the fact that it's waterproof, it's well worth the investment, especially if you need a foundation that will last throughout a busy day. If you're looking for a foundation that performs similarly, but at a lower price point, there are some good drugstore options, like L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. It offers a similar matte finish with great wear time at a more budget-friendly price. The packaging of this foundation is sleek and functional. It comes in a glass bottle with a pump, which ensures you get just the right amount of product every time, without any mess. As for longevity, I would say this foundation should last you a solid 6 to 8 months with regular use, making it a good investment in the long run. In terms of customer support, Too Faced has a strong reputation for handling customer inquiries, although I haven't had to interact with them directly for this particular product. The brand is known for its quick response times and helpful service, so you can rest assured if you ever need assistance. So what's the final verdict? The Too Faced Born This Way Soft Matte Foundation is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting, oil-controlling foundation that won't feel heavy or dry. It's perfect for those with combination to oily skin and anyone needing a foundation that holds up throughout the day. If you've got dry skin, you might want to look for something more hydrating, but for most, this foundation is a solid win. If you've used this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.